Hi, today we are going to do factorizing. Factorizing means taking common things out. Example 1, we have to factorize 3x plus 3y. If you take 3x and 3y, what is common? If you check the number, we can see 3 is common. So we have to take 3 out. So when you take 3 out means you have to divide each and every term by 3. Let's write 3 open bracket, then I write the first term, that is 3x divided by 3, because you took 3 out now, so you have to divide first term by 3, plus 3y divided by 3. Then 3x divided by 3. I have written here 3x divided by 3. 3x means 3 times x divided by 3. 3 and 3 get cancelled, x remains. So I write here 3 open bracket, 3 and 3 get cancelled, x remains, plus 3y over 3. 3y over 3, that means 3 times y over 3. 3 and 3 get cancelled, y remains. 3 and 3 get cancelled, y remains. So that's the answer, 3 times x plus y. Example 2, factorize x squared plus 5x. Then I can see x here, here also x. So x is common here. Then we can take x out. Here x to the power 1, so we can take x out. So I write x out, open bracket. So when you take x out, we have to divide all the terms by x. So let's write x to the power 2 divided by x, plus 5x divided by x, close bracket. Then x to the power 2 divided by x. I write here x to the power 2 divided by x. X to the power 2 means x times x divided by x. Then x and x get cancelled, so x remains. So this power and this x get cancelled. X times open bracket x plus 5x divided by x, 5x divided by x, that is 5x means 5 times x divided by x. X and x get cancelled, 5 remains. X and x get cancelled, 5 remains. So that's the answer, x times x plus 5. Example 3, factorize 2y squared minus 10y. First check the numbers, 2 and 10. So I can take 2 out. Then check unknowns also. Here y to the power 2, here y to the power 1. So y also can be taken out. So 2y can be taken out. So I write 2y open bracket. Then I have to divide all the terms by 2y. 2y squared divided by 2y minus 10y divided by 2y, close bracket. Then 2y squared divided by 2y. 2y squared divided by 2y. 2y squared means 2 times y divided by 2y means 2 times y. Then 2 and 2 get cancelled, y and y get cancelled, y remains. That is 2 get cancelled, this y and this power get cancelled, then y remains. So I write 2y open bracket y minus then 10y divided by 2y. 10y divided by 2y. 10y means 10 times y, 2y means 2 times y. Then 2 times 1, 2 times 5, y and y get cancelled. So it is 5. 2 times 1, 2 times 5, y and y get cancelled. So 5 remains. So that's the answer, 2y times y minus 5. Example 4. Factorize 6a squared b minus 10ab squared. So first check the numbers 6 and 10. That means you can take 2 out. So always remember, when you take this number out, you have to take HCF of the numbers out. Okay, so if you take 6 and 10, what is the HCF of 6 and 10? That is 2. That's why I take 2 out. So 2, then check the unknowns. Here a to the power 2, here a to the power 1. So you have to take a to the power 1 out. Then here b to the power 1, here b to the power 2. So you can take b also out. Open bracket. Then 6a squared b over 2ab minus 10ab squared over 2ab, close bracket. Then first one, that is 6a squared b over 2ab. 6a squared b means 6 times a times b over 2ab means 2 times a times b. Then 2 times 1, 2 times 3. A and a get cancelled, b and b get cancelled. So what remains? 3 times a, that is 3a. So I write here 2ab times 3a. If you cancel here, it is 2 times 1, 2 times 3. A to the power 1, this a power gone, b and b get cancelled. So 3 times a, 3 times a, minus second term, that is 10ab squared over 2ab. 10ab squared over 2ab. 10ab squared means 10 times a times b divided by 2 times a times b. Then 2 times 1, 2 times 5. A and a get cancelled, b and b get cancelled. So what remains? 5 times b, that is 5b. So if we cancel here, 2 times 1, 2 times 5, a and a, b and this b to the power get cancelled, b remains 5b. So the final answer is 2ab times 3a minus 5b. I hope you understood. See you in the next video.